Yeah, I'm B Platinum giving it to you raw right here at Miami Accident Center. That's right, the best health care you can understand. If you get an accident, slip or fall, you want to ball, y'all want to crawl, crawl right here at Miami Health Center. That's right, it's going down. Accident Center, I mean, if you can scream. My name, B Platinum, coming, it's fame. And you can check it out. Let me give you my voice. I told you I'm going to drive in a Rolls Royce. I'm coming through it, and I see it's never played with. You understand when I said I stayed to get myself, and I see I need my venge so I can understand I need my ends. Ain't no stopping. I be locking it. I'm coming through this thing like I'm really Tupacing it without the death. Miami Accident Center, that's what's left. For me to go across, I was working at the University of Miami and I was leaving the job. I was going across the highway and bam, Accident Center, I came back. Well, I see myself getting back to work very soon, because these guys are incredible and they're doing them. We got a masseuse here that doesn't play the radio. He's experted to beat perfection. So I want you to check it out. Miami Accident Center. Call